Our biggest public land buck recovery ever is coming right at you. Let's jump right into it with AJ, Nick, and the hunter.
Is he up? Or he ain't up?
I knew he didn't go far.
I need you to watch me, Nick. I think I can get him on this side.
If you have to, your altitude can come down.
He is under brush.
Oh, dude, the shit he was in when we first kicked him, he crawled into it.
You watching my altitude?
Yep, you're good.
He's still under fucking brush there, but I'll try to get a good look.
Mind if I take a picture of that?
Yeah, go ahead. I got it all recorded, so.
Okay.
See, because what it is, his body's not fully. You can see his body, but it's still broken up, and the broken up part is the brush hanging over it. Yeah. Just do this. Zoom out. Just center it real quick. All right, here we go. Let me go down. Why is it so rainy?
See his red.
How's your signal strength?
I'm good.
Okay.
It's just, it's all the brush around me.
Yeah.
He's underneath all that brush.
Right.
Green briars
Where's his rack?
right here. See it coming out?
Oh yeah,
What's your altitude at?
146. He's
Okay.
a hammer.
Fucking ready to hammer. Why do you think I have you out here? I shit myself in a motherfucker game.
Let me see if I can get you a better picture. I mean, it's just under brush.
Yeah.
He might be dead now. Oh, no, he's not. Jesus Christ.
Told you he's big, bud.
There he is, 10-pointer.
That's what he is, ain't he?
Yep. Got 4 on that side. 5 with the brows. Look at him, Nick. It's grainy as shit there.
Yeah.
But right here.
I got him.
Right here's a little better.
Yep. Good deal.
Alright. How wide is he, you think? 20?
16, 17.
Oh,
He's
yeah.
not that wide. He's real tall.
Yeah, he definitely tall. Alright, what I want to do, I don't want to disturb him with the light because he's alert right now. Okay. What I want to do is just watch him for a second with this. About 5 more minutes just to see if he gets up, you know.
Yeah.
AJ knew that the recovery of this deer was not possible on this evening, and that the best chance of recovery would be the next morning. That turned out being the right decision because the deer actually did get up. It did move about 200 yards to where the hunter found him.
We got him, boys. Old Blood Trackers of Maryland got her done. He made it to the water, but I'm glad he made it to the water because that meat's gonna be good. What a stud. Let me see it. Walk it up for him. Oh. Oh my God, what a hammer. AJ, you're the man. Appreciate it, buddy. You guys are the best.